Okay, so welcome. This is my first YouTube video in terms of showing you something for percent change this semester. So here's what we got going on. Let's say that you have some kind of percent markup. And let's say, for example, that you have 42%. And this is going to be a markup of 42%. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this markup of 42%, okay, and you're going to apply this markup to something that happens to cost them an amount of money. This is going to be $28.50. So because of this, okay, you're going to go ahead and turn this into a decimal, which moves this decimal behind the 2 in the percent 2 times to the left. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to multiply it by $28.50. Now, when you multiply this, this is going to go ahead and give you, okay, something that you are going to get for the increase. But here's the thing. If you actually wanted to get the answer right away, what you could do is, because this is 100% of right here, this $28.50, this used to be equal to 100%. It's not 100% anymore because you want to mark it up 42%. So what you do is you make this and you add it to this. This is going to give you a total of 142%. This is going to give you this decimal instead, 1 42/100. Now you're going to get the answer right away. Before, when you had the 42/100 without the 1, okay, and the decimal here, just the decimal and the 42/100, you were only going to get what extra you had to pay. Now you're actually going to get the final price, and this is going to be $40.47 exactly. And now you don't have to take an amount and add it back to the $28.50. So that's pretty nice. But let's say that you want to go ahead and do percent change like we've been working on in class. Well, that's going to be different. Let's say that you have some kind of percent change. And let's say that something went from $86 to a total of $64. According to the percent change equation, here's what the percent change equation is. You take the amount that you changed and you divide it by the original amount. Well, the original amount is actually right here in front of you. The original amount is actually $86. So this ends up being $86 right here. At this point, what you're going to do is you're going to find out how much money actually went down. So this is going to go ahead and be $86 minus $64. Well, this is going to give you a total amount of money that went down of $22. This, if you divide it by $86, and here's what I mean by divide. You literally take, if you do this in a calculator, $22 and divide it by $86, this is going to give you this decimal. This decimal isn't the percent. You actually have to take the decimal and move it 2 times to the right. So this is going to be 25 58/100% that you actually went down. Now, here's the thing. If you want to practice this on your own and you want to use this equation, I'm going to ask that you guys go on to a second video. But here's what I want you to do on that second video. I want you to use this equation right here on the first video, and I want to see if you guys can get what the percent is going to be if you guys are going to do it for just a little bit different of a problem. Let's percent change, and instead of going from $86 to $64, let's go from $40 and let's go up to $89. You guys use this equation to go ahead and try to get this percent increase and log on to the second video. And let's see what you guys get. Okay? Bye-bye.